Giovanni Domenic John Barilaro is an Australian politician who has been the 18th Deputy Premier of New South Wales and the New South Wales leader of the Nationals since November 2016. He has been the Minister for Regional New South Wales, Industry and Trade in the second Berejiklian ministry since April 2019 and a member of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly representing the electoral district of Monaro since 2011. Barilaro previously served as the Minister for Regional Development, Minister for Small Business, and Minister for Skills in the first Berejiklian and second Baird governments from October 2014 until March 2019, and as the Minister for Regional Tourism in the first Baird government. Barilaro was born in Queanbeyan to immigrant parents from Calabria, Italy. After leaving school, he worked on the factory floor of his family's business. Before entering politics, he managed Relejo, a business that manufactures energy-efficient timber windows and doors. He has campaigned within his local community for a high school for the growing suburb of Jarabambera and helped found the Monaro Panthers football club before serving for 8 years as its club president. Barilaro was elected as an independent councillor of Queanbeyan City Council in 2008 and served on the council until he ran for the National Party in the seat of Monaro at the 2011 state election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.